Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the live screening session. This is the first time that I am conducting such a live stock scanning session. So if you're able to hear me, please just type in the message box. I'm doing it for the first time, so maybe I'm not completely well aware of the meeting controls of Zoom. So if you're not able to see my screen or hear my voice, please do let me know. Probably we'll wait for a minute or two and then we will start. And by the time, let me also just try to figure out few things here. Okay, so let's start with the scanning process. So what we will do is we'll start scanning the Nifty 200, and I think that we will get enough number of stocks from this index to scan. If you have any stocks in your portfolio and you would like me to just go through it, just comment it in the chat box. Probably we'll look into it. This is a 30-minute meeting, so let's start. And what I'll do is I'll go through the stocks one after another, and if there is anything I found specific or probably worth sharing, I'll unmute myself and share the details. And when I'm just scanning, probably I'll mute myself. That would be the best way of doing the meeting. So let's start the scanning. Okay, so I like really Bank of Baroda at this time. The stock is breaking out from the weekly and monthly time frames, right? So it is showing a good buying opportunity. So let's wait for daily to just set up properly, and when it will give us a proper buying pattern, we'll go long into this. The stock is really looking good at this time. Okay, so Crompton looks, a little bit promising here. So what we can do is, let's just mark out the levels. So probably these are the levels, 489, 669. So let's set the alert here. So probably we'll, set the alert at 490. Uh, so as soon as the stock will, go through this level, probably then we will analyze the stock and see if there is any proper, setup to go long. Okay, so I think a lot of people have position in Deepak Nitrate. It has given the sell setup here. This is the breakout failure, and this is again the breakout failure. And now the stock has back to from where it actually break out. Uh, you know, uh, Around these levels. So I think now it is at the rising 50 MA, and the markets, especially the Nifty, is also down. So let's wait for some time, and please do not jump onto this stock just because it came down from 29 to 24. Because there is no proper support at the lower levels, so it might, it can go down further as well. So this is a very strong stock. It is an uptrend in weekly and monthly as well. So let's wait for the daily to set up properly, and then we'll go long in the stock with the proper long setup. Okay, I think endurance is a is looking good. Let me just add the volume as well here. Okay. So, it has shown a good momentum move in the weekly and the daily as well. But, as of now, it is not set up properly. Uh, what I am looking for is that let the prices should consolidate little bit more here, and then when it will break out, that would be more proper way to go long into the stock. As of now, it is looking strong. So just keep this stock. The name is Endurance. Just keep this stock in your watch list. We'll track it. Okay, so this is the stock that I have given to my paid subscribers. We'll talk about that later. That where do I give the stock and how they are performing. So we'll talk about them later. First of all, let's just keep on scanning it. Okay, HDFC is looking HDFC is looking good. You know, it has breakout from the resistance. The weekly and monthly is also looking good. So let me just tell you that this is the daily chart, this is the weekly, and this is monthly. So the stock is in uptrend in all the time frames. It has just broke out, you know, with a little bit of extra volume as well. So let's just either, you know, retest it, the resistance, or just, you know, consolidate. As I mentioned in my, you know, earlier videos which I, you know, published on YouTube, that after a momentum move, mostly, you know, the prices do rest for some time. So let it either give us a, you know, the bullish 1 to 3 pattern, or let it retest the resistance, because once resistance is broken becomes support. So let us give us some good pattern here, and then probably we'll go and, you know, go long in the stock. So see, first of all, let me just mention it here that I'm looking for stocks from the, you know, long only point of view as of now. I'm not looking for the stocks to go short. I can understand that the markets are down and we have a lot of good shorting opportunities as well. But, you know, just for the purpose of, you know, the scanning in this meeting, we are looking for only the long stocks. And guys, if you have any, you know, questions on, you know, any stocks which you know, you are holding or you want to buy, please do let me know. Okay, so M&M looks fine here. So what I'm expecting from M&M is to just, you know, cross this level, which is 192.33. So let the stock just cross through this resistance, and just let set the alert here. So we'll set the alert at 192.5, right? So let just stock pass through the resistance, and then we'll analyze it further. Okay, good momentum move in Page India stock, but this is a little bit expensive stock. It is around 37,800. Good breakout though, and it is also holding at the upper one-third level of the the igniting bar. So if any one of you who can afford buying this stock, probably this is a very good stock to keep it in your portfolio, or at least for a swing trade. No, it has also breakout in the weekly and monthly time frame as well. So the stock has already broke out, has already given the entries. Now, what could be possible is, in my opinion, that either the stock should move down little bit to these areas, especially I want it to just consolidate and come down to these levels, and then probably might give us some good entry point, or if it can just pull back and then reverse back, that would be more I think a better way to go long in this stock. Till then we can just keep it in our watch list to track it further. Okay, good gap up in TVS Motor. It has cleared the resistance as well. So we have resistance which has been cleared by the stock However, if you check the weekly time frame, it is already been moved up from from some time, and it has already been up a lot from the base. So I think let the price should retrace little bit, and then that would be better to go long. As of now, it is looking good, but the monthly is also reaching to its earlier resistance area. So I think we should wait. As of now, it is looking promising. Good gap up, but let the stock set up properly. Okay, so let me just give you a few, tell you a few of the stocks that I gave to my subscribers. So one of them was HDFC Bank, which I gave from these levels. So no, it gave a breakout. We entered as soon as above this prices breach above this high of this candle. As of now, it is holding. And we have seen that Bank Nifty, the banking stocks and the financial stocks are doing good. So most of the stocks are from the banking category. Then we have the Indian Bank, which I gave from 176.60 level. So it is also doing good as of now. We have the Federal Bank, which today gave a very good move. I think it was around 7% around move which it gave today. The entry was around 96.70. So and then I also gave the JK Tire. However, this stock has came down, but the entry is also not triggered yet. So I have not changed the bias in the stock as of now. However, it is down very strongly today, but still the bias is intact. Let's see if it reverses, or if it will just come down here and break the supports, then probably will remove it from the watch list. However, the stock has not triggered the entry as of now. So that's it, guys. This is that's it in today's scanning session. Hope you have enjoyed it. So if you have any questions, please email it to me. If you are already holding it, or if you want to buy it, just let me know, right, with the stock name, and with other details, and probably I can help you with that. So hope you have enjoyed this session. Just give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna publish this it on YouTube as well. So if you like it, just give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe the YouTube channel as well. So that's it for now. Thanks everyone. Good night.